If you have been looking for a website or app or a mini app where you can mine a token, you can earn a token that is already listed while doing social tasks, you are in the right place, because that is why I'm introducing you to GoMine in the app today. All right. The reason why I'm doing that, because GoMine is already listed on TurnFi, and you can actually swap immediately you made your withdrawal. And when you look at the task is quite simple. All right. So from the dashboard, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this, to how you can withdraw and also sell. All right. So please make sure you watch all the videos so that you don't do mistakes. All right. So the first time when you come to your dashboard here, you will see this daily check-in. Right. This daily check-in is for you to show that you are actually coming every day. All right. And you will see your balance here. This is my balance currently. All right. And then if you want to earn more GoMine, you can just come here, or you can click on this N here. Right. So when you click on this N here, it will take you to the available task. Right. There are many tasks. That means doing all the tasks will get you nearer to your withdrawal threshold, because for you to withdraw, you have to have at least 1k GoMine. All right. So look at it. There are many tasks, and you can see on S you have 48 tasks. When you click on it now, you see all the tasks. On Telegram we have okay, I've done most of the tasks on Telegram, so I only have only 1 GoMine here. Right. So general, you can see it. Then look at this campaign. You need to click on this campaign, because this campaign has more GoMine. They have 44 GoMine on this campaign. You can see it. That means if you finish the task, you are going to get 44 GoMine. That is massive. Right. Just click on it. When you click on it, you will see the task. It's also simple task. You see simple task. You see that. That is all. That is all. All right. So you can see it's actually quite simple, and they have a working, a live token that you can actually swap to immediately. All right. So that is that about N. When you come to the market, the market is called P2P market. That means this is the place that is getting me crazy, right? Because all of us now, we need followers on our social medias like X, Instagram, Telegram. You can see here, you can also, with the balance you have N or mine, you can also create tasks for others, for them to also like click and also do it. That means you don't even need to invest anything like your real money. Your token that you earn here, you can also create tasks here. So all these tasks you are seeing here is created by the people that are here. You see that now, the people like the users. So you can also click on this create. You can click on this create here, and when you click on this create here, you will see okay, you will see they will ask you which platform do you want followers on. Is it Telegram? Is it on Instagram? And you just choose what you need. Is it follow? Okay, for me, I say I need follow now. How many follow do you need? You can just put it here, and you just read the rules. They have their own rules, like the total escrowed, unfinished unit are refunded in full, reward plus fee. If the task expire or you cancel, that means if you are done with the task and you didn't get the full, like, let's say you want 10 people to follow you and only 7 follow, they will refund you with the rest. All right. So all projects need you to like tell others about them. So when you refer, you get 8% of what others or your other community what they found. And they also have, they extended to level 2. You can see it. So it's actually very, very good one. All right. So on this rank, you see on this rank is where you see the leaderboard, the people that are earning more than others. And you can see here Nigerians are here, and you can see almost all the countries are here, and people are already looting, right? So when you come to your wallet, you want to withdraw, you will see you need to connect your Tonkeeper here. If you don't know what's Tonkeeper is the wallet that I think use Ton mostly, right? So because this token is on not Ton network, you need to use what's it called now? Tonkeeper. So you can connect your Tonkeeper or your Telegram wallet. Anyone. For me, I use Tonkeeper, right? So when it is up to 1k, you can just withdraw. For me, one of the things that get me crazy is because I just want to get more social followers. So I might not even be making withdrawal here. I'll use the minimum amount to actually create another task. All right. So yeah, you want to have withdrawn my token. How can I say? You come here. All right. You come and swap here. Let's go to the site. And let me pause the video. I want to make it as short as possible. All right, so there's something interesting here. When you reach 1k, they are advising that you should hold it because you have 5%. Look at it. They said instead of swapping, you could hold GoMine for a holder boost 1,000, hence you plus 1% on every task reward, up to 5%. Swap anyways. So it all depends on you, right? Okay. So, and this, if this is the first time you are watching video on this channel, please subscribe and help us grow. We also have a lively community on Telegram and WhatsApp. The link to join this project is going to be in the description or the comment section. So make sure you check and join, right? So, projects like this always have update as time goes on, so you don't miss any of them. Join our community, right? So here they say normal warning. Then here, let me just put yeah, of course you'll be asked to connect your wallet. I've already connected my wallet. I connect my turn keeper. You need to have a little bit of turn, right? But you don't want to swap. You want to say to me, you just come to my DM, join the community, come to my DM. I buy all these mining tokens. Just come to my DM and I will buy it from you, right? So to avoid maybe getting gas fee or something, right? You can see 1,000 worth of the token is worth 0.9. That is already $1, right? So you see, it's actually a good one to go. It's actually a good one. So you can use this site to swap, or you can just DM me if you have already reached the threshold and you can just sell it to me, right? So you don't have anything to be afraid about. This is already listed, and that is what I'm doing tutorial on it, because I found it a very good opportunity for you to leverage on. All right, so let's go back to the site. All right, let me remind you, one of the things that is getting me crazy about this project again is, you can see here they are already constantly burning the token. And when a project is burning their token, you know what that means? The token value will be rising. You see that now? So it's very important we leverage early, and I'm very sure we are still very, very early, because this project started yesterday and we are already on it today. You see that now? So let's get back to business. All right, so like I said, the link and the our community link is going to be in the description of this video or the comment section. So make sure you join in. We post updates every day. All right, so join in and we make sure that you get value. All right, that's just it. Okay, if you have questions, please ask your question in the description, in the comment section. I will do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video in 3 days. We post updates every 3 days.